Today on Dinner with Dad, we talk about HeyGrillHey sauces and spices. When you get a chance, go to the website and check out the team here at HeyGrillHey with Susie and Todd and their tremendous team of people that work with them, and check out why this small family-owned business really produces some high-quality stuff. And now let's go taste some sauces. So the first thing we're going to talk about are the rubs. So we have the beef rub, which is this one right here. It just looks like salt, garlic, and onion, and probably some other spices. Then you got the sweet rub, which you can see. You know there's definitely brown sugar in there. Yes, brown sugar, salt, paprika, mustard seed. So that looks really nice. And then you have the fish and veggie rub, which is right here. So salt, onion, garlic, and celery seed, and mustard seed, and dillweed. Ooh, there you go. That's why it looks great on vegetables. So again, let's try tasting it. So we'll taste a little dab on a piece of chicken just to see. So let's just go with, what is it? This one is the beef. That one's great. That would be fantastic on a burger. Oh, look at burger. Dinner with Dad called that one. That was really good. I'm gonna have to edit these in between because it's fine, you keep going, but let me going. This one here is the sweet rub, so we'll try this one here. That's really good also. This is like another one, it's just like, they can put it on anything. You know what would be good on? Sweet corn. Like a street corn, like if you just sprinkle it on there. And the last one, right here, the fish and the veggie rub. So why am I putting it on chicken? That's all I got. Yeah, see, that's really like totally different than these. It's got like a really herby taste, and it's probably because of the dillweed and stuff. I like this one a lot. So spices, I would review them. I like them all, but they're all used for different things. So like I said, this one here, burger would be great on a burger. Gotta try that. This one here, to me, just good on anything you put on the grill, even though it says, oh wait, sweet rub, good for anything. Guess I should read these labels before I start. So let's try the sauces next. Ready? Okay, so now we got the three sauces. So we have the everything sauce right here. And then we have the Texas style right there. And the jalapeno apple, or they call it the apple jalapeno. But if you can look at the colors, you can see the difference here. This one's definitely darker. These look a lot the same, except this one definitely has some more different kind of spices in it. You can see them showing up. So let's do what we do. Dinner with Dad. Try them out. That's good. Really sweet. I guess it's because it does have honey in there. And so this one's sweet, really good, but there's a sweetness, real nice sweetness to it. Not spicy at all, which is nice. Because sometimes spicy is not so nice. And then this one here is the Texas. So when I taste this, I should be tasting El Paso. Definitely different flavor. There's a lot more different flavor in this one, but it's definitely sweet again. So they're both sweet, but not like over the top sweet, like, you know, they're just a little sweeter than spicy. Some are spicy. And then you got the apple jalapeno. Wow. Okay, out of the three, I like them all. This one here, pretty amazing. I just put it on chicken, but it definitely would be on pulled pork or ribs. This thing here, ribs with one of these rubs. Gotta work on something with that, I like that. Very sweet, got a nice kick to it. It's not burning, not really hot, just there's a nice little bit of a kick to it. So, overall, when we go here with HeyGrillHey, I like all their products. I have favorites. Like I like this one, and I love this beef rub. So I do have favorites, but I love them all the same. So check them out, get on the Instagram page, follow them, go to their site, buy some, support people. That's the idea here with Dinner with Dad. We want to support other people. So come back next time and we'll do another tasting and another product review on Dinner with Dad. Come on. So this week on Dinner with Dad, we talk about the Hey Girl natural and spice flavor. So don't know what that is. Fitch and Debbie.